Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Alexa device keeps showing a spinning blue or green light and doesn't seem to return to normal operation, it may be trying to complete a task, process a communication request, or reconnect to a service. Sometimes the light ring continues spinning longer than expected because of a network issue, pending notification, software delay, or temporary system problem. The good part is that this behavior does not always mean there's a serious fault with the Alexa device. In many cases, a few quick checks can help restore normal operation and stop the continuous spinning light. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple fixes you can try. Try these. Step 1. Check for messages or notifications on the Alexa device. Step 2. Verify the Wi-Fi connection of the Alexa device. Step 3. Restart the Alexa device. Step 4. Review settings in the Alexa app for the Alexa device. Step 5. Reconnect power to the Alexa device. Step 6. Test voice commands on the Alexa device again.